Welcome back to our channel. If you love creativity, fashion and handmade beauty, then you're right in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest knitting and crochet ideas. Today's video is all about knitting ideas, creative, stylish and practical inspiration that you can turn into beautiful handmade pieces. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced knitter, this video will guide you through a wide range of ideas that you can try, experiment with, and even turn into your own signature designs. Let's begin with one of the most classic and beginner-friendly knitting projects. Scarves. Knitting scarves are not only easy to make but also incredible versatile. You can start with simple stitches like greater stitches where every row is knit, or move to stock knit stitch for a smooth finish. As you can confidence, you can explore rib patterns, cables, or even lacework. Playing with colors can completely transform a simple scarf into a statement piece. Think about ombre yarn, strip patterns, or even color blocking or create something unique. Chunky scarves are especially popular because they are quick to knit and give a bold quality cozy look that's perfect for winter fashion. Now let's move on knitted and crochet top designs. These are slightly more advanced than scarves but slightly very achievable. Knitting ahead introduces you to shaping techniques like decreasing stitches, which is an essential skill in knit. You can create fitted tops, slutchy heads, or even stylish tops. Now let's talk about sweaters and tops, which are one of the most exciting knitting ideas. Creating your own knitted clothing allows you to design pieces that perfect match your style and size. You can start with simple pullovers or gradually move towards cardigans, crop tops, or oversized sweaters. Lightweight yarn are perfect for summer tops, while thicker yarns keep you warm in cooler months. You can also play with necklines such as v-neck, boat neck, or turtleneck styles. Adding details like buttons, pockets, or lace panels can elevate your design and make it look high-end and fashionable. Another beautiful idea is knitted for home decor. Handmade knitted items can instantly make your space feel warm and cozy. Think about chunky knit blankets, cushion covers, and throws. These items not only look luxurious but also add a personal touch to your home. You can use neutral shades for a minimalistic aesthetic or bold colors to brighten up your space. Knit wall hanging are also become trendy, combining knitting techniques with artistic design to create unique decor pieces. Let's not forget about accessories. Knitted bags and purses are both stylish and functional. From tote bags to small clutches, you can create a variety of designs that suit different occasions. Choosing sturdy yarn and add a fabric lining can make your bag more durable. You can also decor them with buttons, tassels, or embroidery to make them stand out. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel. You can share it with your friends and crochet lovers. There are plenty of small knit ideas that are perfect for you. Items like coasters, dishcloths, handbags, and phone covers can be complete in a short time and are great for practicing new stitches. These products are also ideal for using leftover yarn so nothing goes to waste. Plus, they make wonderful handmade gifts that people truly appreciate. Speaking of gifts, knitting for babies is another heartwarming idea. Baby booties, sweaters, mittens, and blankets are not only adorable but also very meaningful. Soft gentle yarn in pastels colors create delicate and comfortable items for newborns. These projects are usually small, making them quicker to complete while still being incredibly special. For those who want to challenge themselves, advanced knitting techniques open up a whole new world of creativity. Cable knitting create beautiful twisted patterns that look incredible and intricate and elegant. Lace knitting introduce delicate and designs that are perfect for shawls and summer wear. Color work techniques like intrays allow you to create stunning patterns and motifs using multiple colors. These techniques may take time to master, but the results are very truly and worth it. Seasonal knitting ideas are also something you can explore in winter focused On warm items like gloves, socks, scarves, and heavy sweaters in summer, switch to lighter products like bathable tops, shawls, baby frocks, or decorated items. This way, your knitting remains relevant and practical throughout the year. One of the most exciting parts of knitting is experiment with different yarns and textures, from soft wool and cotton to luxurious velvet and textured yarns. Each type of yarn gives a different look and feel to your project. Mixing yarns or combining knitting with crochet can create unique designs that stand out from the crowd. You can also turn your knitting hobby into a small business or creative online presence. Handmade knitted items are highly valued, and platforms like social media or online stores allow you to showcase and sell your creations. With creativity and consistency, your profession for knitting can grow into something even bigger. Knitting is not just about making things, it's about the joy of creating, the relaxation it brings, and satisfaction of turning simple yarn into something beautiful and meaningful. Every stitch tells a story, and every project reflects your creativity. So pick up your needles, choose your favorite yarn, and start exploring these amazing knitting ideas. Whether you're making something for yourself, your home, or as a gift, remember that the beauty of knitting lies in the love and effort you put into every piece. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel, like, share, and you can share with your friends and crochet lovers. And please watch whole video till the end. For baby items, knitting offers durable possibilities such as baby booties, sweaters, mittens, and blankets. Advanced knitters can explore intricate designs like cable knitting, lace knittings, or even color work techniques such as Farah, Aisley, and Intrisia. These techniques allow you to create detailed patterns, textures, and artistic designs that truly showcase your skills. Finally, don't forget to experiment and innovate. Combine knitting with crochet, add embroidery to your knitted pieces, or use unusual yarns like velvet or metallic threads. The beauty of knitting lies in its flexibility and creativity. There are no limits to what you can do creative. Knitting is not just making items, it's about enjoying the process, expression, creativity, and creating something meaningful with your own hands. So pick up your needles, choose your one, and start exploring these amazing knitting ideas today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative knitting and crochet ideas. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and we will see you in the next video. Watch whole video till the end. You can watch these beautiful tops designs for women motifs. These are really beautiful patterns. You can also watch beautiful baby frocks in red color, pink color, yellow color, and this is amazing crochet tops. Thanks for watching.